Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take retirement of partner 12th standard commerce illustration 2. First illustration I have already explained. If you want you can go and check out from my account. You will get all the solved sums from over there. So let's get started. Following is the balance sheet of the firm Nana, Nani and Sona, who share profit and losses in the ratio of their capital. The balance sheet as on 31st March, this is the balance sheet, okay, and these are the adjustments. Stock to be valued at 92% of its book value. So what we'll do, we'll put a star mark in the balance sheet over here, so that whatever adjustments are there on these assets or liabilities, we can leave one line for calculations. So stock is there, then second is RDD. So I have already put a star mark on stock, then RDD debtors I have put. Then the value of the building to be appreciated by 20%, third adjustment. So building I have put star mark, okay. Then the goodwill of the firm be fixed at 12,000. This calculations will have to do, and the last one, the entire capital of the new firm be fixed at this. So these calculations will have to be done. So from here only these star marks are there. So let's get started. Let's start posting. Okay. So we'll start from liability side. Capital account Nana, Nani and Sona is 50,000, 20,000 and 30,000. So we'll be posting this on the on the credit side of partners capital account by balance brought down, okay. Nana 50,000, Nani 20,000 and Sona 30,000. Then next is what? We'll go up and check. Creditors 10,000. Creditors will come in the liability side. No adjustment is there on creditors, so we'll write in the outer column. $10,000. Okay. Then next is what? Creditors come by the bills payable 5,000. So bills payable liability side. How much it was? 5,000. Okay. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and do share with your friends also. Okay, friend dear. Next, we have completed posting of liability side. Let's move towards asset side. Machinery, no adjustment is there, so we'll write directly on the outer column 20,000 in the asset side. Machinery will leave one line and write over here, okay, at least one line, okay. Machinery, $20,000. No adjustment is there on machinery. Then next, building 55,000. Star mark is there, means adjustment is there. So we'll write in a column building 55,000. Okay, 55,000, and we'll put a line in this column. Okay, this means we'll know calculation is there. Then after building, what's there? Stocks 12,000. Again over here we'll write stock, inner side 12,000, and we'll put one line. Okay, after stock, what it is? Debtors 12,000. Okay, yeah. After debtors, what it is? Cash 17,000. Some calculations are there with cash, so we'll write in the asset side cash. We'll put a bracket 17,000. Now let's move towards the adjustment. Calculation of all these are already done. Okay, sorry, not posting of this balance sheet is already done. Let's move towards the adjustment. Stock to be valued at 92% of its book value. So stock, how much it is? It is 12,000. So 92% of 12,000. In working note we'll write stock 12,000 multiplied by 92 divided by 100, that gives this 1140. So this will go in the outer column, 11,040, and 12,000 minus 11,040, it gives 960. So 960, and what it is, we'll write it as reduction minus, okay, because already the 92% is this will come in outer side. Okay, and this will go in the revaluation account to stocks account, to stock account. How much? 960. Okay, 960. Next, RDD to be maintained at 10% on debtors. Let's go over here. Debtors minus RDD, minus RDD. How much? 10%. So here is the 10%, 12%, 10%, 12,000, 12 will reduce 1 0, so it will give 1200. In the outer column we get 12,000 minus 1200, it gives this much, isn't it? Now what we'll do, we'll post this RDD over here. Okay, in the revaluation account to RDD, account, to RDD, and in bracket what will write? 1200 minus 1000, that gives 200. Okay, of how I made this calculation, see over here in the balance sheet already 1000 RDD is less, so that's why while doing the second entry, what I did, second posting, I did 1200 minus 1000. From where I got this 1200, we calculated over here this RDD 1200 minus the minus this. Okay, so now next, the value of the building to be appreciated by 20% of the building, add appreciation. Okay, add, sorry, plus appreciation. How much? 20%. So that goes to 55% का 55,000 का 20%. So 55,000 का 20%, if we calculate, we get 11,000 and 66,000 over here. Okay, appreciation, this appreciation will go in the revaluation account credit side by building account. How much? 11,000. Now next, goodwill of the firm be fixed at rupees 12,000, means goodwill of the firm is said as it is 12,000. Now Sona share in the same be adjusted in the accounts of continuing partners gain ratio. So over here what they have said on the very first line, that share profit and losses in the ratio of their capital, means we'll have to calculate first the old capital of these partners. So what we will do, will come down and make a calculation. We just have to calculate old share. So capital of Nana is 50,000, Nani is 20,000, Sona is 30,000. So we'll just reduce all these zeros and we'll get 5:2:3. So this is the old share of partners, 5:2:3. So what we'll do, goodwill is how much, 12,000 of the firm. So we'll calculate Sona's, only Sona's share is how much, this 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 10, from where I got this 10, here 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. So Sona's share of goodwill is, when we calculate this na, 12,000 into 3 divided by 10, we get 3,600. So what we'll do, we'll go in the capital account and we'll write over here, by goodwill in Sona's account, 3,600. And what in the second line, half of the adjustment is done. Now next is Sona share in the same be adjusted in the accounts of continuing partners gain ratio, means now we'll have to calculate the gain ratio, and this 3,600 will be adjusted in the continuing partner, means Nana and Nani. So what we'll do, we'll go down, I've already calculated. So we'll calculate gain ratio. Okay, so what is the formula of gain ratio? I have shown you already in my past videos how to calculate gain ratio. Formula is there, new ratio minus old ratio, this is the formula. So old ratio is what, 5:2:3, just now we calculated, isn't it? And new ratio they have already given in the question is 3:1. Okay, in the last adjustment they have said it is 3:1. So Nana's gain ratio will calculate what is as per the formula. Okay, as per the formula, new ratio minus old ratio. So new ratio is what of Nana, 3. Okay, this 3. So this 3 will come here, this 3 and divided by 4. From where I got this 4? This 3 plus 1. Okay, new ratio, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 minus old ratio is what, 5. 5 upon 10, that gives 30 minus, what will do, 4 multiplied by 10 will do. Okay, because 10 doesn't come in 4's table and 4 doesn't come in 10's table. So 4 tens are 40, we'll take 40 and cross multiply this above other one. So we get 30 minus 20 divided by 40. So equals to 10 upon 40. Same way we'll calculate Nani also, and we get 2 upon 40. So what is the gain ratio? 10:2, and we'll reduce it more further. So we get 5:1. So what is the gain ratio? We get gain ratio as 5:1. Now goodwill is to be distributed in the new remaining partners at 5:1. So goodwill of Nana and Nani. So 36,000 we found of Sana's goodwill, isn't it? So 36,000 divided by, now this of Nana, 5 share is there, 5 divided by 6. 6 how I got, 5 plus 1, that gives 6. So 36,000 this should be multiply. Okay, they multiplied by 5 upon 6, that gives 3,000. And Nani, 36,000 minus 3,000 means the share of Sana minus Nana, we got 3,000. So we get 600 over here of Nani. So we'll post it in the partners capital account over here as 2 goodwill, because they will be enjoying na, Sana is going but these remaining are there, so they are enjoying further. So we'll post it in their account as said, and 600, isn't it? Nana and Nani. Now further, the entire capital of the new firm be fixed at 1,60,000, means they are saying they are going to adjust the capital at 1,60,000 between Nana and Nani, isn't it? In their new profit sharing ratio 3:1, making adjustment means already they have said that the remaining balance is going to be 1,60,000. So we'll come over here down and capital will write capital account in the liability side of Nana and Nani, and in the outer column it should come what? 1,60,000 they have said. Okay, so 1,60,000, sorry, comma. Okay, so we'll have to distribute it in new ratio 1,60,000. Here I have calculated 1,60,000 of Nana and Nani. Okay, so Nana is 3 upon 3 divide 1,60,000 multiplied by 3 upon 4, that gives 1,20,000, and 1,60,000 minus 1,20,000 it gives 40,000. So we'll write here, I'm sorry, over here Nana is 1,20,000 and Nani is what? 40,000 we got. And this will transfer it to as we got the balance. Okay, so to this is the adjustment which they have done. So here we'll write to balance carried down, and we are just showing it. Okay, they are just showing it that this is the balance, and bracket will write adjustment. Okay, ADJ, how much? Nana 1,20,000 and Nani 40,000. Now further, sixth, amount payable to Sona paid in cash. Okay, amount payable to Sona is paid in cash, means Sona is going and she is taking in cash. So what we'll do, first whatever the profit they have got or losses they have got, it has to be distributed amongst the partner, all the partners. Okay, before going Sona. So we'll close this revaluation account first, and then we'll distribute what Sona is going to get and Nani is going to get. Okay, so we'll be calculating this. Obviously this is this side, credit side is more, so 11,000 over here will be getting total, and 11,000 we'll be getting here, and minus 11,000 minus this number, so we get as 9,840. Okay, 840 is the remaining. If we minus this 960 and 200 from 11,000, we get this, and we are going to distribute it between all the partners. So two partners, two capital account, and we'll distribute it in old profit sharing ratio, Nana, Nani and Sona. Okay, so when we distribute this 9,840 in the ratio 5:2:3, we get amount as 4,920 of Nana, then of Nani we get 1,968, and of Sona we get 2,952. So now this balance we are going to transfer it to capital partners capital account. Okay, and this is what? This is profit they have made. We can write in bracket profit. Okay, so this is going to transfer, this will be transferring over here. by profit and loss adjustment account, and in bracket we'll write profit transfer. Okay, how much, Nana? 4,920. Nani is 1,968, and Sona is 2,952. Okay, now what they are saying, Sona is taking everything in cash, isn't it? So we'll close first Sona. So we get balance of Sona as 30, I'll directly write it, okay, 36,552, and we'll write here also 36, and the minus they are they'll be, she is taking in cash, so to cash 36 comma 552, and who has to pay? We have to pay it from the cash balances, so minus 36,552. Okay, from cash we are going to give this. Now we are going to close Nana and Nani account, so we get balances as 4,600, 4,600, and the difference come over here by cash 18,632, and here 1,23,000, here also 1,23,000, and the difference comes over here. We'll put it as cash as 68,080. Okay, so why we have put this in cash? Because see, when they brought the capital now, it was already low as 50,000, 20,000 and 30,000. Already it was showing low, so obviously they have to bring more amount, so that the Sona they have to pay to Sona also and for other requirements also. And just to show in the balance sheet, they have shown 1,60,000, isn't it? So they will compulsory have to bring amount over here in cash. So we'll add cash over here plus this balance will come in cash. Okay, 68,080 plus Nani's 18,6632, this balance. Okay, now when we'll calculate now, so we'll get in the column outer column cash as 67,160. okay, and when we calculate the whole amount, now we will have to tally the balance sheet and it must tally. Okay, so we get balance as 1,75,000, and over here also we get 1,75,000. okay, so balance sheet is tallied. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, all the entries are done. Adjustment, anything is remaining? No, nothing, everything is done. Balance sheet is tallying, it means everything we have done properly, no problem, isn't it? So I hope you have understood this problem. If there is any problem, confusion, how you liked the video, do comment and please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be very much happy. Okay, do subscribe and press that small bell icon also. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. See, after all, it's free, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.